వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. మా ఛానల్లో అన్ని గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్స్ సంబంధించిన టాపిక్స్ డిస్కస్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. మా ఛానల్ని ఫస్ట్ టైం విజిట్ చేస్తున్నట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే పక్కనున్న గంట సింబల్ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి. ఈ వీడియోలో టాప్ 50 జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చూద్దాము. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ది నేషనల్ ఎంబ్లమ్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా? ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ లయన్, క్యాపిటల్ ఆఫ్ అశోక. What is the national animal of India? Answer, Bengal tiger. What is the national heritage animal of India? Answer, elephant. What is the national bird of India? Answer, peacock. What is the national tree of India? Answer, banyan tree. What is the national flower of India? Answer, lotus flower. What is the national fruit of India? Answer, mango. What is the national vegetable of India? Answer, Indian pumpkin. What is the national aquatic animal of India? Answer, South Asian river dolphin. What is the national river of India? Answer, river Ganga. What is the national reptile of India? Answer, king cobra. What is the national song of India? Answer, Vande Mataram song. National song of India was written by? Answer, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. What is the national game of India? Answer, field hockey. What is the national calendar of India? Answer, Shalivahana Shaka calendar. What is the important monument of India? Answer, Taj Mahal. What is the official book of India? Answer is option D, white paper. What is the largest state in India? Answer, Rajasthan. Largest state in India, ఏరియా పరంగా వచ్చేసి రాజస్థాన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ది స్మాలెస్ట్ స్టేట్ ఇన్ ఇండియా? ఏరియా పరంగా వచ్చేసి గోవా. హూ రోడ్ ది ఎపిక్ రామాయణం? ఆన్సర్, వాల్మీకి. హూ రోడ్ ది ఎపిక్ మహాభారతం? ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ వేదవ్యాస. హూ రోడ్ ది నాట్యశాస్త్ర? Answer is Bharata Muni. Who wrote the Ashtadhyayi Granth? Answer is Panini. Who is known as Father of India? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Who is known as Pandit Ji or Chacha? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is known as Iron Man of India? Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who is known as Grand Old Man of India? Answer is Dadabhai Nauroji. Who is known as Nightingale of India? Answer is Sarojini Naidu. Who is known as Frontier Gandhi? Answer is Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Who is known as Lokmanya? Answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who is known as Napoleon of India? Answer is Samudragupta. Who is known as Shakespeare of India? Answer is Mahakavi Kalidas. Who is known as Machiavelli of India. Answer is Chanakya. Who is known as Netaji? Answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Who is known as Andhra Kesari? Answer is Tanguturi Prakasham Pantulu. Who is known as Punjab Kesari? Answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. Who is known as Lokmanya? Answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who is known as Lok Nayak? Answer is Jayaprakash Narayan. Who is known as Man of Peace? Answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who is known as Deen Bandhu? Answer is L.F. Andrews. Who is known as Desh Bandhu? Answer is C.R. Das. Who is known as Bhanga Bandhu? Answer is Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Who is known as Desh Ratna? Answer is Rajendra Prasad. Who is known as Lion of Kashmir? Answer is Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah. Who is known as Rajaji? Answer is C. Rajagopalachari. Who founded the Indian National Army? Answer is Mohan Singh. Mohan Singh. Who is the chief architect of the Indian Constitution? Answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What is the boundary line between India and Pakistan? Answer is Red Cliff Line. What is the boundary line between India and China? Answer is McMahon Line. Which is the oldest Vedas? Answer is option A, Rig Veda. Which is the oldest Vedas? Option A is the answer, Rig Veda. మా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.